and some friends and I went out in our regular clothes, and we went to the bar and had like a drink, and then we're coming home. And there was a group of men walking behind us, and they were like, oh, look, they're sluts for Halloween. And so I was not about to let some strange man, like, call me names on a street corner. So I turned around and was like, so then we got into it. So I actually stood on the little curb. You know how they plant trees and they put, like, curbs around them? So I stood on that so I'd get a little height. And I was like, who the F do you think you are to call me, like, a slut? You don't know me. I'm wearing perfectly regular clothes. Even if I wasn't, you couldn't talk to me that way. And so then he backed off and was really sort of surprised that there was this, like, little girl who was just going to yell at him for calling her name. Because I'm sure he says stuff like that a lot, and people don't call him out on it. So that's why I felt it was really important that I needed to, like, call him out.
Thank you.
Riding to work. I used to work at a sandwich shop, and having a man on the bus who I didn't recognize as a customer, but my coworker who I was riding with recognized as a customer. She was the one who was sitting closer, and we saw him jerking off on the bus. And supposedly after that incident, because she knew that he wasn't, she thought she saw him following him around, and he kept coming to the store every day. I just remember that he used to order 2 Oreo milkshakes every single day, or smoothies. And
they're like from the 70s. They always slow down and they like whistle at you and they speed up. It's really weird. I don't appreciate it. It's funny.
How do you feel about it?
Oh, seriously then?
Yeah.
I think it's fine.